Hi folks, it's Moz here, and today I'm going to go through Airfix's biggest bundle yet. That's right, we're going to go through the Armour Vehicle Mega Bundle and see what kits you're going to get when you purchase this amazing deal from Airfix. So on the website, they have this brand new bundle. It's called the Armour Vehicle Mega Bundle. And they say, when we say this is a mega bundle, we mean it. The AVF, or Armoured Fighting Vehicle Bundle, includes 28 kits for you to build, including some of the most popular items like the Panther tank, the Churchill Mark 7 tank, and the Stug 3. And there are a few ruined buildings in here too. So you can create a display scene with your finished models. And I'm going to go through them one by one from this huge bundle. And at the end, we're going to go through how much money you will save if you bought this mega bundle. Before I explain this mystery bundle, can I ask a favour? 80% of the people who watch the videos on this channel are not subscribers. And it really does help if you do become a subscriber. All you have to do is click subscribe. And if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. So first off, you're going to be getting this 176 scale Bedford QLT and Bedford QLD trucks. You get two trucks in this box. Next off, we go on to the Vintage Classic, and this one here is the Churchill Bridge Layer. And yeah, this one's been around for a few years, like, you know, but is in the Vintage Classic range, and it does build up to be a pretty nice kit. Also from their Vintage Classic range, you're going to be getting the Russian T-34 tank, and this one here, which is the Joseph Stalin JS3. And this particular model I've actually built for the channel, and here it is. It's actually not a bad little build. It went together pretty well. Little bit of a weathering job done to it, nothing too drastic really. The turret does turn if you want it to. But yeah, it's rubber band tracked, but it actually built up to be quite a nice little pleasant little build. So definitely worth grabbing hold of this one, the Joseph Stalin JS3. Back to this one here now, we've got another Vintage Classic, which is the Pack 40 gun and truck. You also get this one here, another Vintage Classic, the M3 half track. And then this one here, which is the Scammell tank transporter. Also, the Sherman Calliope, as I keep being told. I did a review on this one because I couldn't remember or didn't really know how to say this name. People keep telling me and they all say it different. But yeah, you get this one in the set too. Another Vintage Classic, the Japanese Type 97 medium tank Chaha. You're getting a classic here, which is the Buffalo and Willys MB Jeep, which is a Vintage Classic. And the Panzer IV. Great, I built this one years and years ago and I quite enjoy building it too. You get the Willys MB Jeep with the trailer, which you see these as a starter set sometimes in Aldi or Lidl, but you get this one in the set too. The 8mm gun and tractor. This one's a good little kit. I've seen quite a few of these built, but also another Vintage Classic. You get the German reconnaissance set, which consists of two vehicles basically in this one. This one here, the Cromwell 4, also comes with this one. This ain't a Vintage Classic, I don't believe, just yet. But this one's the 176. You get the AEC Matador and 5.5-inch gun. Also, from their Vintage Classic range, you're getting the LCM3 and Sherman. So you get a little tank with this one as well. So you get the landing craft, and you get the Sherman tank with this one as well. And there's more. We've got the Bren gun carrier with the 6PDR anti-tank gun, Vintage Classic. The World War I mail tank Mark 1. There it is. There's the Stug 3 with the, the 75mm assault gun. You get the SDKFZ 234 armoured car. There you go. They got the Bofors 40mm gun and tractor. You get the Vintage Classic Panther. And the Churchill Mark 7. Right, you get two of these in this bundle of the 1/72nd scale Polish bank. And finally, you're going to be getting two of the European city steps too. So there you go, that is 28 models for you to build. So then it's time to look at prices, and on the screen you can see that I've grouped them all in starting from the cheapest to the most expensive. Okay, so you're getting 10 kits there at £6.99. Then you move on to the more expensive ones, which like the Scammell truck transporter, right the way up to the Panzer 4 are all £10.99. Then you've got a couple at £11.99, which is the Cromwell Mark IV and the Willys MB Jeep. Then you've got the Landing Craft M3 and Sherman at £15.99, and then you've got the Bedford QOT trucks at £17.99, and then you've got the Churchill Bridge Layer at £20.49, and then you get in the diorama sets, and you get 2 of each of these. So you get the European City Steps at £24.49, and the Polish Bank, you're getting 2 of them at £35.98. So the grand total, if you bought all this singly, recommended retail price, website, Airfix website price. So I'm not trying to hoodwink you on pricing. This is what, if you go to the Airfix website, this is the prices you get. It will come to £368.22. If you then take the price of it, which was £250, which includes free postage, you are saving £118.22. Caveat, if you're an Airfix Club member, you get your 10% Airfix Club discount, so you'll get another 25 quid knocked off. You could save £143.22. That means you'll be paying £225 for 28 kits. I understand they're vintage classics and the tooling might be older, but you're getting 30 odd vehicles here, because some come as pairs. You know, sometimes you're getting the Landing Craft and the Sherman, or you're getting the Bedford, you're getting 2 trucks in there. You know, everything's, you know, there's a lot in this that you can play with. And I reckon if you bought this bundle, you'll have enough models there to keep you going for the rest of 2023 and to the end of 2024. There's a lot of kits there to build, really is. If you build one every 2 weeks, that's a lot to play with. And just one little observation, when you got the dioramas here, these are resin models. This one's resin, and this one here is also resin too. Something a little bit different for you there with these dioramas, and they look pretty cool. These have some weight to them. They really do. They have some weight, and look, you know, they're lovely. Definitely worth the money, I tell you. 25, or well, this, I think they're £25. You know, excellent value. You can do so much with these, I tell you. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who help this channel financially. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish to join. If you've not seen my latest video, click here to see a playlist of all of these Airfix mystery bundles I have unboxed. Click here.